Alright, so returning back to Pittsburgh, check out all three properties. One is done, James is done, Graham is almost done. The contractor promised me to get it done this week. So today is what, Thursday? I'm not sure what day and week of all projects are in. I'll check them out once I get to the Pittsburgh. So I'm gonna check out James, Graham, and Cottage, all three. Got a lot of updates in the background as well. I'll be doing some more videos since I haven't had any chance to get a footage of them since November 15th. So got a lot of updates. Let's see. Just shotgun. Backsplash benim. İcaptan kamyonetler şunlar. Alright, so I've got update in the lower floor in the basement. Shower. So we're gonna just leave it as is, and then there will be no shower door. So we'll still have to attach the hardware here, and then paint, and then silicone it. Same thing over here, just at the flooring. And we're gonna have to do the Vanity GFCI in here. Close up the access panel, mirror, light. So the door is on here. It's 24-inch door, and the height is a little bit low, but that's fine. That should be fine for the basement. So we keep the door as is in this color, same on that one, but we paint the trims in white. So we changed the baseboards. We'll clean up the carpet. Changed the grill, air vents, outlets, covers, clean. Everything looks good, matching. Painted the ceiling, that looks good. And so we'll keep the carpet. This one is a high quality carpet, so we'll just wash it. Same thing with the staircase carpet. We actually got a quote for this carpet, and it came up to $1,200 for this basement room, and then the staircase, which is a lot. Alright, so the electrical wires are still loose here in the garage. So it needs to be reorganized, so, and probably we'll have to swap out this door to the fire coated door. So we got a lot of stuff over here for us. All right, so the upper bathroom, this needs to be painted along with the trim, and the tile is done, tub is installed. We got the vinyl here, toilet is reinstalled. Same thing over here, the vanity, everything installed, but we still have to do the connection, P-trap connection, and the light is on. So we still have to finish it up. So we left the closet as is. All the doors are painted. They might need one more resurfacing in some places, some spots. Just have to do some touch-up works. That's basically all around the house before we list it, so hopefully we can get it done this week. And we got a huge update in here in the small powder room. So we painted the tiles into white, and then accessories, hardware in gold. So came out great, love it. And this door used to be a pocket door, so we changed it to regular door.